Namaskar, my dear friends, brothers, sisters, and young people. On behalf of the Indo-Canadian Community Center, I welcome you all and greatly value your company at this community celebration event. We have gathered to felicitate Dr. Jagmohan Humar and celebrate his many contributions to the Ottawa community and to Canada. We heartily welcome the speakers who have gracefully consented to express their personal sentiments for Dr. Humar. Let's also acknowledge the presence of and mention a few distinguished individuals. I would like to recognize Mr. Mohammed Lashmi, President, Ryerson University, Mr. Laurie Kostiuk, Dean of Engineering at Carleton University, Mr. Bob Shirali, former Ottawa Mayor and Minister of Public Infrastructure, Ontario, Councillor Theresa Kavanagh. Natural law rewards spiritual living and good deeds. Jagmohan Ji, as president of the Indo-Canadian Community Center, I feel privileged to congratulate you and commend you on conferment of the honor of Member of the Order of Canada, one of the highest awards by the Government of Canada. This award is, of course, a great honor for you and your family. It's also an honor for the Indo-Canadian community and a matter of great pride for all your friends and the Ottawa community at large. A few seconds ago, I said natural law rewards spiritual living and good deeds. Jagmohan Ji, your life truly reflects the rich heritage and cherished values of India. Your spiritual living, kind, forthright, and an unassuming mannerism are amply exemplified in your actions, good deeds, and accomplishments in different fields. Some of your contributions, profession of teaching and research at Carleton University, many contributions to the community service, Mahatma Gandhi Peace Council, Jain Society, past director of ICCC, etc. Your interests, poetry and music, both devotional as well as emotional, and your humor are noteworthy, heartwarming, and highly valued. Your involvement in the community represents the best of the qualities of the vibrant Indo-Canadian community in Ottawa and Canada. You are an inspiration to me personally and portend an example to many others in the community. Like yourself, we all have, and particularly more so as Indo-Canadians, a joint responsibility to enrich Canada, one of the world's best countries to live in. Canada is a mosaic of many different cultures and values. Jagmohan Ji, your many accomplishments are summarized on the ICCC website. The video of today's celebration will also be posted on the website for those who could not attend this event. On the lighter side, with my observations, comments, I hope your dear wife, Yashji, will from now onwards have even greater appreciation for you. Friends, now allow me to take a moment to say a few words about the Indo-Canadian Community Center, ICCC. ICCC is a charitable, non-profit, volunteer-run organization. Our community services include charity and philanthropy. Our recent ICCC COVID-19 Relief Fund campaign has to date raised over $90,000 to support hospitals, shelters, and food banks in Otford. Our various initiatives, they promote rich Indian heritage and cultural values. I repeat, our various initiatives promote rich Indian heritage and cultural values, thereby enriching the multiculturalism in the Canadian society. We provide numerous platforms and opportunities for bringing the best in the community together. ICCC greatly values unity in diversity. Therefore, friends, we welcome you all to join in our programs and activities. In closing, Jagmohanji, we are proud of and admire your laudable contributions and accomplishments. We pray that you stay blessed and keep enjoying great health to carry on with your humanitarian work. Friends, thank you all once again for virtually joining us today. If you wish to send an electronic message of greetings to Dr. Jagmohan Homer, we have provided a contact form on the ICCC website. There's a link available on the website and on the program sheets, which also we sent to you, ICCCortwa.org. Thank you, Sujata.